Alright my friends, that's a Victorinox pocket knife. Check it out, these are the features it comes with. Knife, saw, some other stuff. Pretty fantastic, pretty cool. Bottle opener, saw, this stuff. Now, is it sharp enough to cut the rope? Wow. Yes. Wow. Wow. This blade is razor sharp. And it's a liner lock. Liner lock. Alright, Victorinox, can it cut the water bottle? We shall fucking see. Yeah, it's not your typical water bottle cutter, but it's razor sharp, and if you hit it correctly, it kills. It freaking kills. Okay, I test the saw now of the Victorinox, shall we? Let's cut this off. Yeah, the saw is definitely working. Check it out. That's the tree limb. That's the saw. Not too bad. Okay, now the blade of the Victorinox. Still awesome. I'll try to chop this off. I probably should wear gloves. Oh, yep, fantastic. Yep, yeah, for a little knife it's fine. You totally can cut down a limb of a tree. Here's the other part, looks like this. Pretty awesome cuts. This was the saw, really clean cut from the saw. Fantastic, fantastico. The Victorinox blade. Here, this is one of the toughest woods here. It's not oak, it's a Robinia acacia. You can see, after the tree chopping, it's fantastic. It's razor sharp. Check this out. Wow. Wow. This is super sharp. Okay. Can I still cut rope? Yes! Wow! It still can. Yes. Yeah. Still possible. Alright my friends, the Victorinox, after all the wood action, can it still cut carton? Wow! Easy. Very, very easy, no problem. And what you have to know is this: the blade has a liner lock. Open it, you take it like this, and for closing you just push the red, the emblem of the Swiss. You push it inside and then you can close the blade. Push it and close it. That's the closing mechanism. You check out the saw. The saw has no locking. The saw has no locking at all, so this you have to be aware of. Alright, see ya. Check it out, liner lock. Looks like this. Not sure if I can step with this tip. It's not completely pointy, but let's see what's going to happen. Wow. If this blade goes, oh my god, then I'm fucked big time. Yeah, I think there's no damage. Can I close it? Yeah, not with gloves. Step some more. Well, it's bending. The tip is bending. Alright. Can we close it? Me and my Homer Simpson in the brain. Alright. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. No problemo. It's just bend it. Yep. Just bend it. Grüezi du Switzerland. Alright. Check it out. It's still sharp, but bended. Alright. Some wax. Wow. Yeah, it's not too much. The edge is a little bit gone, but not too much. A little bit wiggle, but the edge is doing awesome. Schweizer Qualität! Spine. Awesome. Not too bad. Some more. So it's so much fun. It's closable. Yeah, you cannot close this with gloves. Yeah, awesome. Okay, now we test the saw, the freaking saw. Ah, fuck, it's sharp. Yeah, wow. That's sharp for sure. I need the gloves. Safety first, my friends. Okay, now I cannot close it anymore because it's bended. This has no locking, okay? No locking. All right. Let's see if we can do something here. Five hours later. It's fantastic. This saw is fantastic. One more. And there's no damage. There's no freaking damage at this saw. It's impossible. Okay. Try to cut this one here. That's impossible. There's no damage at this freaking saw. Wow. Grüezi to Switzerland. Awesome. Alright, check it out. This is the saw from the Victorinox knife. And this 3 too. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 deep cuts, 4 deep cuts with the saw, which is really impressive. This is, you didn't expect this from a pocket knife. Nope. This is just wow. Yeah, and here are some wax. Here the wax from the blade. Also awesome. Also fantastic. Check out the edge of the blade. Fantastic. You have some minimum damage, some rolling, some breakouts, but nothing too serious. The tip is bended, of course, but it didn't broke. And during hitting the car at the spine, It don't go down on your fingers, which is fantastic. I like my fingers. And the saw is still sharp. The saw is still sharp, usable. Yeah, fantastico. And the edge, I'm really surprised by this blade. Really surprised. And you cannot close it anymore because it's bended, but yeah, it's not so easy to close it anymore. Let's say this. Grüezi do Schweizerland, Schweizerdeutsch, Schweizerland, Schweiz. The guys with the cows. Alright, my Habibis, can the Schweizerdeutsch Messer, after all the car abuse, check out the edge. Edge is torn down, check it out. Still cut carton. It's not. Yeah, with the front part. Wow. Wow, it's more easy to penetrate the carton. Check it out. It's much more easy to hook it. Wow. And here. Wow. You have still some edge on the blade. I mean, this is freaking fucking fantastic, my friends. Hook it and cut it. Hook it and cut it. Hook it and cut it. Yeah, fantastico. Hello again. Now, can the saw, after all the car abuse, still cut wood? This is very seasoned acacia. Don't tell anyone that I was here. This is not mine. This is the enemy here. Oh, hold. Wow. They are deep. And you still can cut wood with this. This is awesome. Alright, this blade also has some other stuff which I have no idea what to name it. I think this is a screwdriver. I have no idea what to use this for, but you can stab with it for sure. This is also a stabber. Stabber number 3. This hole is for, I have no idea. And this one is for stabbing in the eyes of zombies like this, or for self-defense. This is a self-defense weapon. You can have your knife like this, you walk around. This is for this. Alright, so pretty nice tools. Yes, I know. I'm a genius. Knife concerning, I'm a genius. I know everything about knives. Awesome stabber. Alright, my friends, check it out. The tip is already bended. I try to bend it back. Yeah, it's weird. One more. Wow. Wow, now bend it on the other side. Fantastic. Wow. It's just bending. It's not breaking, it's bending. Check it out. Weird bend. Yep. Just bending. Fantastic. Missed the bend a lot. Wow, straight again. Fantastic. Okay. 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 That was too much, now it broke. Now it broke. Alright. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I test the edge. Check out the breakouts. Now edge. Ah. Not too bad. Yeah, it's really not too bad. Okay, now the locking. Line a lock. Wow, this locking is fantastic. Okay, the wood. Okay, the scale is fucked. Looks like this. Wow, here you have the locking system. T-shirt free. They're coming, the enemy is coming. Fantastic. Locking. Yeah. Still working. Awesome. Some more at the edge. Oh no, the Swiss are gone. The Swiss is fucked. That's not good. Okay. Now we have the first failure, but it's back in place. Awesome. Yeah. Now it's failing a bit. Maybe because I'm touching this too much. Yeah, now it's failing. But impressive. Really impressive. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna cut some brick. Cut the brick with the saw. Check this out. I cut the brick. Now I cut some wood. Wow, impressive. Check it out. You can still cut wood. Fantastico. Yes. As we know, the saw has no locking. But how bendable is it? Can I break it with hand? I can bend it. Bend it like fuck, man. Alright, some more. Yep. This is what I call flexible. Bend it back. Yeah, bend it back. Oh fuck, oh shit. Now it cut me. Because there's no locking. That's the danger. It cut you up, alright. Ah fuck. Ah fuck. Ah fuck. Yeah, that's tricky. We have to be careful here. Wow. Wow. I mean, you can bend it back and it's still... Yeah. You bend it back and it still would work. That's awesome. But when does it break? When does it break? That's awesome. That's fantastic. Wow. This saw is not breaking. Try with the prick. Nope. Still alive. Awesome. Wow. Indestructible saw. Fantastic. Alright, one last time with the saw. Cannot break it. Wow. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Check this out, this is unbreakable. It's bendable. Super bendable. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! This was close. All right, this is I bend it back and that's it. It's impossible. Okay, so it's unbreakable, 100%, 100%, fantastic. But I try the blade again. Yeah, you still can close it a little bit. Okay, what I do now, I do another tip test with the blade. Okay. Wow, bendable. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, okay. It bended and then it broke. That's fine. Impressive. Another one. Oh shit. Oh yeah, okay. Now the blade broke off. This is how it's inside the handle. Not too much. Not too much. Yeah. Okay. Another break under heavy fucking abuse. Alright, how tough is the handle? I will fuck it up with the master brick. Shall we? Yes. This one is broken now. This stabber number 3 is broken. Something is wrong with the locking. Alright, again. Scale is off. Bend it a bit. Okay, one more time. Oh shit, now the saw broke. Alright, that's the saw. The indestructible saw. That's the rest. It's pretty messed up, pretty fucked up. Alright.
Okay.
Alright my friends, that's the end of the Victorinox awesome blade. You can see here the handles. Handle scale, this Swiss flag is missing, sorry for this, Switzerland. Here the other wood handle. This is, oh shit, this is the indestructible saw. This is how it's mounted in. Indestructible. Fantastic. Here's the blade. edge retention, awesome. Bendable as fuck, but fantastic. Fantastic blade and edge retention. This one full off also. This is the stepper number 4. Stepper number 4 is this. Okay. Stepper number 3 is also wiggling now. This is how this looks like. It's banded now, like fuck. But it can take a punch, it can take abuse, it's banded. And this is the locking mechanism. This you push to get the blade out. With the Swiss emblem, you also get a Victorinox paper for idiots, and it says, and what? This is not a stabber. This is a can opener, it's not a stabber. Wow. Alright. Carton it comes within. Can it still cut carton with the blade? Wow. It can still cut carton. Fantastic. Alright my friends, that's it. Alright, now the Victorinox, the rest off against forest ammunition, blades, high velocity number 4 from Austria Arms. Alright, let's see let's see what we can do against this motherfucker. Alright. Wow. I think it went kaboom. Ka-fucking boom. Wow. 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 Here you can see the forest ammunition, the pellets which hit the car. They're really tiny and they made this hole in the car, which is fantastic. So I hit it here, some pellets here and some here. So this was the range. This was the range of the shot. So fantastic. From 3 meters you can kill for sure. Wow. Alright my friends, that's the Forester Blitz number 4, high velocity, 36 grams, 3 millimeters. And it fucked the Victorinox big time. You can see here the impact of the blast everywhere. And now it's falling apart a bit. We have the liner lock system, I think is this. Check it out, I also hit the saw. The saw got hit and it bended it a bit. Amazing. Yeah, this is the other locking system, I think. That's stepper number 3. Also got hit. And this is the rest. I mean, that's yeah, fantastic. Fanboy alarm, yeah, check it out. This is how this looks like now. Awesome. For regular stuff, fantastic blade. You cannot go wrong with this blade. And Victorinox, if you see this, can you send me some ammunition for my shotgun? I'm running short. Okay. Alright, now the rest of the Victorinox blade against locker. I'm not sure. We're still alive. Yep, it is done. Alright, this is one metal of the Victorinox. I want to see how tough this is. A nice hole in the Victorinox. That's a hole. Alright, now the indestructible saw. It still cuts. Yes. No hit. I think I hit it now. I killed the saw. Finally it's dead. Freaking fucking finally. Yeah. Alright my friends, my Schweizerdeutsch friends. That's the end of the Victorinox. I showed it with the GLOCK 19 7mm. You can see here's the damage. Of course it gets fucked. Here it went through the metal. So it's bending of course, but still the GLOCK goes through. A nice freaking fucking hole, I would say. It has also got punished here as well. I'm not sure where the shots are, but yeah. And finally I could kill the indestructible saw. This is so unbelievable, and it's still sharp. It's still sharp. You can still cut something off with it. Not razor, but check it out. Check the spikes. They are still possible to do something with this. So unbelievable strong. The GLOCK killed it, but yeah, again, awesome blade, awesome performance, really fantastico. All right, but that's it now. Adios. Thanks for watching. Greetings to Switzerland, Schweizerdeutsch. Grüezi. Grüezi amigos. Adios.